Is your hair really short? Well, have no fear. My fingers can grip that hair. I am so excited to share with you this undercut braided tutorial, guys, and it is fit to wear on any occasion. Stay tuned. Thing on your list you'll be needing is your rat tail comb, and this is a comb with the iron point at the end. It helps to give you a neat clean part, and you're also going to need a good edge control, yes, especially when you're doing hair as short as this. A good edge control go a far way to help you to get all the hair together, and it helps to control frizz, yes guys. And you also need your pre-stretch hair, any color and any length of your choice. The size we're working with today are medium, and we're just freestyle parting, no uniform parts. Yes guys, no box or any triangle, just freestyle, just to let everything flow, and you're going to see how lovely the end result look. Here I'm just showing you a quick look of the braid, guys, and how long it is. It's around 36 to 40 inches long, guys. My dears, if you made it this far in the video, please remember to give it a nice big juicy thumbs up, right? And send me a lovely comment. What do you think of this hairstyle? Would you try it? What are you going to do to your hair this summer? Send me me. Let me know. So guys, I hope you all like the end result. Yes guys, and she did wear it to her daughter's graduation. Yes guys, so see you all in my next video. Bye bye.